Fear of technologies. Still you are fear. How can use mobile phone technologies? I'm weird about these things and that. Not yet. You have to be confident and make align with the technology. You're living in your time period of 21st century. 21st is first century, it's 2020, and beyond the things are you have a good life and something. And it is better opportunity to connect the people and wonderful things there. So why not you availing a wonderful gift of internet, a beautiful gift of things, and use it wisely, not to pay too much, like people have get the addiction of this thing. So it is all about that how you matter to be availed. Do not shy or less anxiety for things. Do not afraid of technology that it will be increase more day by day. Technology is something that you can avail every time, and every day there is something new things coming up. So do not be too much get excited to buy new stuff sometime, but getting some time parallel need to be upgraded. But mobile phones are commonly and massively used. Internet are easily at economical price available in market for everyone as data, Wi-Fi, LAN, fiber optics in every office and every staff, children's, senior citizens, parents. This pandemic time, people do not avail these opportunities to learn. They have much time to invest with their family, friends, and maybe they have the people who have hesitate or still fear of technology. So people adopt it. Yet people are trying to adopt everything and technologies and new things are coming up. So keep involved and keep adopt wonderful technologies. And fear of technology is something you need to eliminate, and you need to empower yourself, your family members and every day, and your children and grandchildren and yourself if you are a senior citizen and every day, because smile on your face by using Facebook, capturing mobile phone photographs and whatever you like to use different technologies and connect your creativity, innovation and your ideas, express your poetries, express your something like that. So as a digital literacy program, this course is for everyone and you can enjoy this wonderful things to that, and that has been a wonderful opportunity and I'm very excited. Let's move to the next video and conclusion part of this video, all the series. Thank you.